anyway, guys, this is Samani Peace and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you guys. And you can tell what Umakwela, she was born in 2000. One thing about Makwela, guys, is she's so brave. So yesterday, Umakwela posted the picture on Instagram, and people noticed what I man she's expecting. People are saying the reason why Umakwela, she's unbothered, she doesn't care how the other wives feels, is because she has all the support from Dlonkulu Macele. Guys, we've seen so many times Umakwela and Macele, they have a strong relationship. One thing about Makwela, she understands the assignment, guys. She's not here to play. She's now pregnant for the second one, and people are saying a lot. Some are saying Uguti, they are worried in Umakumalo because Umakumalo, guys, she acts as if she doesn't care, but she's okay, she's fine, but deep down you can see through her eyes what we are fuck off, guys. So people are saying what this Friday are ready to defend their own favor. Some people are saying what bona they're gonna stand with Mayeni. Some are saying what vele bona Team Tobile Mseleko, others are saying what the Team Mangwabe, Team Macele, Team Samke, guys, they are ready to defend their faith this coming Friday, guys. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.